And the markets do a whole lot of nothing today. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, kicking off the week here Monday, September 19th, 2016. I'm going to start off with tech stocks because I can. Anyway, Apple here. Apple's been on fire. Look at this. Ever since the release of iPhone 7, nice rally here. And Apple looking for a bull pullback or a high base before an entry will present itself. Going down, BABA down 1.5%. And be careful with this one. It looks like it looks very, very toppy to me. Let me show you the lines that I'm seeing inside my head. And I want you to see them. So there is what I'm seeing, which is a rising wedge with a bearish divergence, and we go from this trajectory to this, so there's a rolling over. So needless to say, that is what is expected on BABA. So all you guys that trade BABA, there's what you're in for. What else do I want to look at? GoPro up 2.3%. We came out with GoPro 5 Black. And that dude is certainly helped out. Let me get some of these old lines out of there. And we're up. The problem with this is, where's the line I want to do here? Look at that. We open right at resistance. See that? Resistance. We hit this resistance, we dropped. We came up, hit this resistance, we dropped. Market makers opened it right at resistance. We rally higher, and then they sold into that strength. So good chance that this is going to pull back or at least build a base. So zero chance I'm looking to buy this at this moment. And looks like PayPal is up 1.7 or down 1.7%. And get rid of a couple of these lines. Get rid of that line, and looking for a little more pullback here, and that will be a great opportunity to potentially go long if the markets behave. So if it pulls back to perhaps this area, there would be your long option. So that's what I'm looking for. PayPal, Red Hat up. Look at that, man, up 3%. Ooh, right into a resistance line though. Bam. Where does that line come from? You know what? I don't like that line, to be quite frank. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Cleaning all my lines up. And let's do this, come across, put my line in. We actually busted over resistance there. So be watching this. We do have earnings coming up really soon on the 21st. And it's going to happen at the end of the day on the 21st. But it's a good sign when you see people buying into earnings, especially if it's big volume. But you can't always trust that. But I like the technical so far on that. Taser up 2% plus, but whole lot of nothing. That's just a bear pullback. Actually, nothing going there. Twitter down 4%. Let me show you a couple things. You'll see a lot more lines on this one. Oh man, I don't want this to be too confusing for you guys. The lines that you see are these different colors. That's just a Fibonacci retracement. You can see this. So we went from this extreme to this extreme. So from this low to this high is 100% run. The low of this flag puts us right at 61.8. You can see that coming across. So that tells me that this is a bull flag. Let me get rid of this so you can really see it, and you can see the bull flag. I am expecting Twitter to do that. Twitter is a nice bullish formation and setup. Okay, let's go to our other things. The bull and bear list that you see here, those are on our Stock Picks, the V newsletter. You can get yourself at Grok Trade, so go there to do that. I want to go to my index ETFs and look at the spider. So today, remember my lines I put on over the weekend edition video? Well, today we gapped up and then ran up, hit the resistance, and then we sold in that resistance, came down, and found support there. I want to really magnify this. I want you guys to see. These were the lines I put on Friday for the weekend edition video. Isn't it interesting that we gapped up, we went up to my line, and then people sold into it, drove it back down, and then we closed above this support line, meaning that a whole lot of nothing has happened here in the markets other than the fact that we getting closer into the apex of a bearish pennant. So statistically speaking, this has a better chance of that happening. The market's dropping. So with that said, 65 to 70% of all stocks will follow the direction of the market. So I would not want to be looking bullish if the markets do start to drop. And small caps fared fairly well, up. But this is nothing more than a bear flag. I mean, look at this. Bear flag with a shooting star reversal pattern. And something that I'll do here is I'm going to bring in the Fibonacci retracement, go from extreme high to extreme low, 100% run. And look at this. We close at 50% Fibonacci. I mean, this is set up, guys, to do this. We're set up to drop. We're set up to drop. Bad news. Look at the financials. Whoa, and there's no way. Okay, I need to do some research on this. This is an ETF that just crashed and burned here. So there's something taking place here. Leave it in the notes if you know what it is. But I need to look that up. There's no way financial ETF sector dropped that much. What is going on? That is crazy. Crazy. So the banks were slightly higher. Bear pullback. Looking bad. That done. We have a couple important central bank meetings coming up too, and that should be interesting. Crude oil. Take a quick look. I called it a sell. I continue to say sell. It's bad news. Gold. I said sell. We popped up, but we're sub zero on this trend line. I'm saying still sell. That little pop we got today was on mini-me volume. Silver up 2%. I said sell. I have to reverse that now. Unbelievable. This could be a jab. So because of this, I got to turn this around. Say buy. Right there. I have to turn it around. Pop back up into the symmetrical triangle. This, if it's a true jab, this could take off to the moon. So talked a lot about stocks. Grok trade. This is where it's at. Grok trade. Mentorship coming up October. Now listen, guys, do not shut this video off. What I'm getting ready to tell you is gold. The shortcut to trading and trading well and trading with great confidence in the markets. I'm speaking from great experience here. When I went through, read the book, seminars, did all that stuff, and then I had a mentor, the mentor outweighed all of them together. Just one day with the mentor was worth all my time and hours spent in seminars and all the books and time that I spent reading books. One day of mentoring. The mentoring was the shortcut. And this is precisely why I built a business around mentoring. From the comforts of your own home, October 21st, 22nd, 23rd, or it's 22nd, 23rd, 24th, I believe. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Do it online. You can be in UK, you can be in Australia, you can be anywhere. We're going to do it online. It's live online. We all have our webcams on. We're all huddled around our charts, and we'll teach you what it is that we do in trading. It is priceless. Myself, I mentored over 850 people with all the mentors together here, over 2,500 mentor students. And then here's the cool part. Then you can go to and do a retake with us in November in Las Vegas. So you take it online in October, and then a month later retake it so everything really sinks in. And get to meet. You get to spend 3 days with other traders, 3 days with me, 3 days with Mark the Meerkat, 3 days with us. That's what I want you to do. Click on that link. That'll bring you to a page. And go through and watch all the videos. Watch 100% of all these videos. And watch them all. And then ask yourself this question. Is it worth having a discussion with us? Now, let me be frank with you. It's an interview process. We're going to ask you a whole battery of questions. They're very basic, and they're very simple questions that we'll ask you. Very simple about your trading. That's all. And my assistant Keisha can do it. Carolina can do it. I can do it. But we all have the same questions that we ask. And then that will tell us if you're a right student for us. Matter of fact, just last month, we had to tell 2 individuals that they weren't ready for what we offer. No big deal. No harm, no foul. So watch all the videos, fill out the form, go through a phone call with us, and let's discover your tomorrow. Catch you later.